So let's say we have this basic counter application where we have an increment functionality and decrement functionality as well, right? If we refresh this particular page, the value get reset, right? It is set to 0. But sometimes we don't want this behavior. We want that if the page get refreshed, the previous value should be restored, right? Now, how we can implement this particular functionality into our React application? So the first thing that we need to do is to call useEffectHook. Okay, this will take a function and we want to run this function whenever the count changes. Now the next thing that we need to do is to write local storage dot set item. Set item function takes two parameters. The first one is a key, so let's name it count, and the second one is JSON format of the data that we want to save into the local storage, right? So here we will write JSON dot stringify and will pass the count variable here. Okay, this will save the data into the local storage whenever the count variable changes. Now the next step we need to do that how we can get the data from local storage whenever the page get refreshed, right? So we can define a function here that is const get data from storage. Now here we need to fetch the value from local storage, right? So we can write let val is equals to local storage dot get item, and here we need to pass the key. So the key was count. Since this will return a string, we can just write parse int. Now here we will write return val, just pass this function here. So now we see our application here, and if we implement this count and refresh the page, the value is getting restored, right?